Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow with Stampin' Up. I'm your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I have puppies and I have Paper Pumpkin. This is the 5th anniversary kit that just came today, and I will be featuring this on my Pumpkinheads Facebook page. I'm going to open it there, and I will also be moving this video to YouTube. So for now, I'm just saying it's here. And if you have not signed up for Paper Pumpkin, now is the time. You won't be able to get this particular box, but you'll get, let's see, April and May for 50% off if you are a first-time subscriber. If you've subscribed in the past, you are welcome to start it back up again and enjoy everything that the rest of us are enjoying. And we have alternate projects and all kinds of fun with Paper Pumpkin. And also remember, celebration ends on March 31st, and they just released a bunch of freebies. So go to my website. It is www.kathybo, that's KATHYBO.stampinup.net, and you'll be able to see the freebies. The freebies with celebration. So, meanwhile, send me a request to join the Pumpkinheads, and after you have subscribed, and you'll be in our little group. Thanks, and y'all have a blessed day. Toodles.